In Western cultures, nature is often seen as something separate from humans, a resource to be used, studied, or controlled, a chaotic force which needs to be tamed or exploited. In Japanese, the English word nature translates to the word Shizen. Shi meaning self or from itself, Zen meaning so or as it is. Therefore in Japanese, nature can be termed as from itself, thus it is. And thus, Shizen is not just a description of the physical environment, but also a philosophical concept that emphasizes spontaneity and the natural flow of things. It embodies the idea of things existing as they are meant to be, in their most authentic state. Shizen shows that humans are an integral part of nature, not separate or superior to it. This concept stresses balance, mutual respect, and living in accordance with natural laws. Western aesthetics often focus on grand, pristine, and unchanging landscapes, such as untouched wilderness or well-manicured parks, emphasizing control, order, and permanence. Shizen, on the other hand, incorporates the aesthetic of impermanence and finds beauty in the transient, imperfect, and irregular aspects of nature, such as falling cherry blossoms, weathered rocks, or aged wood. The aesthetic concepts of wabi-sabi, beauty and imperfection, and mono no aware, the awareness of the impermanence of things, are central to Shizen. And so, although the terms nature and Shizen both refer to the natural world, they carry very different cultural and philosophical connotations. While nature in English and Western thought has a broader, often scientific or resource-oriented meaning, Shizen embodies a more nuanced, interconnected, and ontological understanding of the natural world, emphasizing a profound respect and admiration for the natural world as it is, in itself. Unfortunately, at some point, the government of modern Japan chose to embrace the Western concept of nature and reject the Eastern-influenced Shizen. This had devastating consequences for Japan as a nation and society. However, if modern Japan, as well as Western nations, can adopt the concept of Shizen, and policymakers around the world use Shizen as a foundational principle upon which to build a society, then perhaps there is hope.